Hi, tita. 3 years na kami ng boyfriend ko and I must say, close na ako sa family niya and pag may free time ako, dun ako sa kanila nagsistay. Pero maximum of 3 days lang naman. We're still students and if may mga binibili kami kagaya ng luho o mga pagkain, galing iyon sa mga pinag-ipunan namin. We've been together for 3 years na. I've attended and witnessed mga birthday ng kapatid niya, mother niya, and pamangkin. I've attended their birthdays and have my fair share when it comes to food and gifts na binibigay ko. Magbi-birthday na yung mother niya and it will be her 60th. So I get it na. Gusto nila bonggahan and stuff na merong decorations and madaming luto and may program. Last night, his mother messaged me na meron daw akong part sa birthday niya. She asked me if pakakadalo ba ako and I said yes. Then I was shocked. Nung tanungin niya ako, paano naman yung ambag ninyo? I was so dumbfounded na di ko alam kung anong isasagot ko. But I replied, ano po ba? And she answered, ewan ko sa'yo. Nag-uusap kami lahat ng kapatid ng boyfriend ko and other related family. At kayong dalawa lang yung walang ambag. And she goes on enumerating to me kung sino bibili ng cake, sino sa soft drinks, etc. But I knew it. It wasn't. So nung pumunta ako sa kanila kahapon, I told his mom na di ako makakadalo kasi may biglang family matter kahit wala naman. Then she told me, di masisira yung program. I just smiled and walked away. Disclaimer, lahat ng kapatid niya ay may mga work at pamilya na. Siya na lang yung still studying pa. Tama ba ang ginawa ko na di mag-attend or I am just overreacting? Thank you for sharing your story. Context checked. Hindi ka overreacting. Ang nararamdaman mo ay valid at may rason kung bakit ka nasaktan. Here is a thoughtful take and some advice. You've been in the relationship for 3 years. Consistent kang present sa mga importanteng okasyon ng pamilya ng boyfriend mo. You stay over for a max of 3 days and you give gifts and help out when you can. Pareho pa kayong students, kaya yung mga binibili nyo ay galing sa sariling ipon, walang regular income. Big event yung 60th ng mom niya, pero apparently hindi malinaw yung expectations sa ambag ninyo. Hindi joke, yung ganoong klaseng usapan especially if may kasamang paninisi at pag-compare sa iba. Assumption ng responsibility, parang napilitan kang maging parte ng obligasyon ng pamilya when you're just a girlfriend, not a daughter-in-law. And then the lack of defense from the boyfriend. He told you the mom said it was a joke pero parang walang assertive effort to clear things up or defend how the convo hurt you. Set boundaries early. Maging clear kayo ng boyfriend mo sa expectations ng pamilya nila sa'yo. Hindi pwedeng half daughter-in-law ka when it's convenient, tapos outsider ka pag may problema. You have to talk to your boyfriend seriously and ask him, ano bang role ko sa pamilya ninyo? Dahil kung ganyan kaka-involve, kailangan may respeto at consideration din sa kakayahan mo, lalo't student ka pa lang. Hindi ka nagkulang. And kung stepping back helps protect your peace, that's mature, not overreacting. You deserve respect kahit girlfriend ka pa lang. Love isn't just between you and your boyfriend, it's also about the family culture you might one day be part of. Hindi selfish na i-prioritize ang sarili mo, lalo na kung nakakaramdam ka ng guilt trip or emotional pressure. Kung gusto mong magpadala ng simpleng message sa mom niya to still be respectful while protecting your peace, take your time to create one. Ayun lang, ito muli ang iyong digital tita na nagkikwento. Follow for more.